Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik, and in this video I will share with you my strategy how I index my website which is just 24 hours old. Let me show you first my proof. Let's refresh this page. Current time in Nepal. This is 11 July 2023, and just here this is the domain name. I have created a website about how we can download photo or image from Threads app. Let's refresh this page. Here you can see the domain registered on 7 July 09. Just I registered this domain, and here you can see the index and current time. The website is indexed in less than 24 hours. Here you can see everything is proof. Let me refresh this page also. 11 July and registered on 9 July, and today date is just 11 July 38 minute, and here you can see the index page. The website is indexed. This is the website, a single page website. Maybe after 1 or 2 days the other page will also index, that is contact us, terms of service and privacy policy. I had already created a video about how to index your website or blog post. Here you can see I have created a lot of videos about how you can get indexed by Google News. Please watch that video. If your website is on WordPress, then watch this video. Google News approval. After approve Google News, your website post or pages link will be indexed fastly. In less than 24 hours it will be indexed in a 1 hour or 2 hour. I will give this video link in this video description, and if your website is on Blogger, then please watch this video. Here you can see Google News approval on Blogger. The method is still working. The video is maybe old, 1 year old, but the method is working. After watch this video, you can watch all the link in this video description. After the record of this video, I will record another video how to index your backlink or blog post by Google Sheets. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to reach first 1K subscriber, don't miss that video notification. Let's start the tutorial. After the domain registration, install WordPress and install theme and customize it according to you, and publish quality content. I had already created a video about how you can create SEO friendly and 100% readability content by ChatGPT. Please watch that video. In a first, what I did, Google Search Console. Verify your Google Search Console with your domain. Just go to Google Search Console and verify your. Here you can see I had already verified my domain address. Verify it, and it will help to index your URL. Just paste here. You need to paste here your URL. Suppose this is not indexed, just paste it, and here click on this request indexing. Your website. A sitemap tells Google which pages on your site are important and which are not. If you are using any SEO plugin, Yoast or Rank Math, then it also automatically turn on XML sitemap for you. Here you can see sitemap. I had already created two sitemaps, sitemap.xml and sitemap.xml view 1. Here you can see status, also you can see success. If you use any SEO plugin, the plugin will automatically do it for you. Then what I did in a third, permalink. If your site on a WordPress, then go to setting and permalink. By default it will be plain or custom structure, but SEO friendly is post name must be select this post name. By default the selected plain text or custom, so do it post name and save changes. Permalink also matter for indexing a little bit. The fourth thing is what I do. Pinterest. I created just a Pinterest account and download image from Leonardo. Pinterest. Download image from Leonardo AI or any AI image generator website and upload the image on Pinterest and put your website link in the targeted URL and put your website link in a target URL. It will index fastly. I had already created a video about how to get Leonardo AI account in a free. Please watch that video. The fifth thing is I did is create Quora account and post add a post in a profile and insert your link in a post. The sixth is free web submission. There are many free web submission website. Add your website in a free web submission website. It will help you to index your website URL. Just go to moneyrobot.com and download it. Here you can see download button. Click on here. The application will be downloaded and install it. I had already installed it. Here you can see this is the, you don't need to do payment or add your credit card detail. After install the application, simply sign up with your email, or you can also use temp mail. Here you can see I have already created 6 tasks for my website, 7 tasks, and all the task is completed 100%. Let me show you URL of. Here you can see I have created a lot of tasks. These are the still waiting for approval, but these are the created backlink. You can also say here you can see money robot website. Insert mini website. My link. Here you can see this is the, let me zoom in. Here you can see I got a backlink from this website, and then same as on the here also. And for this you don't need to payment. You can use Money Robot trial version, and this is not a sponsored video of Money Robot. And the another software is also GSA. Here you can see the website URL is inserted in a multiple website. Let me check some of backlink by Ahref tool. As you know that Ahref and Semrush are most trustable SEO tool. Here you can see 2011 and linking website 211, and here you can see the our website link, which is just showed you in the starting of the video. For this you don't need to add your payment details. Just download from here and use it. These are the all method what I did for index my website in a 20-hour or 24-hour in less than, which is newly created. But these are the another some also key factor. You can also try this if your website is not indexed after doing this thing. So give a social signal to your website. Share your website link in a different social media like Twitter, FA, or Instagram profile, bio, Threads application, LinkedIn, or Reddit. It will also increase your index chances. And the eighth method is Blogspot. I'll suggest you to create a dummy Blogspot website. Here you can see an example. Suppose I have created this and create a website and post 4 to 5 article. You can generate article by ChatGPT. I had already created a video about also how you can use ChatGPT 4 in a free. Here you can see the video. You can also generate article by ChatGPT 4 and after generate the article, post it in a blogger website. And here you can see, suppose this is your article on a blogger, no matter in what category this is the website, just insert your main targeted website link here, which link you want to index. Just select the text, and here you can see the insert the link, insert your main URL which you want to index, and click on apply. You can also index your insert your main website homepage link, or pages link, or post link. You can index you can insert. Here you can see I have already inserted. These are the actually backlink. You can also index same way backlink also, or your website post pages link also. I had inserted. Here you can see my link to index. As you know that blogger website index more chance as comparison to our newly created website. If Google index your blogger website, then it's much chance to index your targeted website link too. So you can try this method also. This is the blogger method. And then the Google News approval. Google News approval, after if your website will approve in a Google News, then this is a then your website indexing chances is very much high. Just go to my YouTube channel and search Google News. Here you can see I had already created a video about how you can get Google News approval. Here you can see this is the video. And if your website on a blogger, please watch this video. You will easily index and get Google News approval by after watching these videos. Then the fourth method of others method topic is create 4 to 5 quality backlink. I will also create a video about how you can create edu backlink and gov backlink. Just search on a Google HiDAPA backlink, and go to just YouTube and search HiDAPA do follow backlink, or anything like this. Here you can see 7 powerful do follow contextual backlink. Create some, if your website is a new, create some backlink, powerful backlink. It will also help you to index your website in a easily and fast way. And remember one thing, indexing does not equal to ranking. Having your website or web page indexed in a Google does not equal to ranking, or you will get traffic. By this all the 10 method, you can easily index your website, no matter how much old your website. If you found this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1k subscriber. Here you can, and also like this video. And if you have any question, then please do comment. I will sure reply your comment section. Thanks for watching video.